So we got a package. It's from Amazon. We're going to unbox it. So let's see what it contains. Taped out here, so maybe a little difficult. So it will be that much difficult. Yep. So here you see it's GetZGet. So it's a company which imports drone parts and Insta360 parts, and I just got a DJI Mavic Air 2, so it's just looking for some propeller guards to have some protection, because I'll be flying it near houses or some other places. Though it has obstacle avoidance, but it only has it at the front, downwards and the back, so it doesn't have it in this side, so propellers can get damaged. So let's open it. We have instruction manual as well, how to put it. I don't think so that would be required. Oh, these are quite large. If you see, this is the size of my hand, and if you see, this is quite large. So let me quickly bring my drone and we'll try to install it and see. So here's my Mavic Air 2. Let's quickly open it. Definitely I feel it will be quite a big of a prop. Let's see. So I think this is basically of the front, because it's mentioned here, so right front. So I think it would go here. This is lower right. And this one, no, I think this is left front. There is some issue letting it fix. Yeah, I guess we are done. So now, as you see, Mavic Air itself is a big drone, and putting these prop makes it quite large. But think these are quite sturdy and will help in those collisions. Build quality is also good. Yep, so that's all. Thank you.